Things are shaping up for a windy and cooler afternoon across much of mid-Missouri. Going to be seeing gusts into the mid-20s while sustained winds looking anywhere from about 12 to 18 miles per hour. So that paired with these cooler temperatures going to make for a little bit of a cooler wind chill. Now the actual temperatures tonight going to continue to slowly decrease. So this afternoon very similar to temperatures we saw yesterday, just on a drier note. Then we see temperatures continue to cool back down into the overnight hours. Eventually, we're going to be bottoming back out into the lower 30s and upper 20s. Now, looking into your upcoming travel forecast, all these temperatures are going to be the afternoon high of each day. So this is going to be Tuesday afternoon. But behind that, you're going to be able to see the ABC 17 Storm Track, Future Track, kind of tell what's going on with terms of cloudiness and precipitation across the country. So if you're doing a little bit of traveling this afternoon, not looking too bad. If you're going back east, there is a long line of showers and storms, so could have some issues with some flights being delayed there. But then into Wednesday, temperature is going to be pretty similar for much of the region. But one thing we're going to be paying attention to is look at Orlando and Miami. Back to the lower 80s on Wednesday. That's going to change as that cold front and the rain spurs back through as we head off into Thursday. But much of the Midwest and Great Plains we'll start to welcome a cold front as we head a little bit closer into Thanksgiving Thursday. So expecting temperatures to drop pretty significantly as we head off into Thursday afternoon. So if you're going to be traveling back off to the northwest, going to be seeing a lot of temperatures back below that freezing mark, even for the afternoon highs. West Coast, a little bit cooler. You're seeing temperatures in Reno, 51 degrees. And back off to the southeast after that cold front, there you go. A significant cool down, going to be 69 degrees for the afternoon high in Orlando. Starts to dry out as we head off into Thursday afternoon. The cold front passes through mid-Missouri. Don't worry, not going to really affect our afternoon high. Still going to be back into the mid to lower 50s across the region. Not seeing a cool down. That is until we head off into Black Friday. Temperatures going to start to fall as winds going to be kind of spurred a little bit stronger out of the northwest. So Black Friday morning, doing a little bit of shopping. We'll make sure you are going to be bundled up because we're going to be seeing temperatures back into the mid to lower 30s. Going to be looking at 35 degrees at 2 a.m., continuing to fall. Eventually only going to be seeing lows into lower 30s. A little bit of a warm-up by the afternoon hours, but going to be cooler than what we're seeing this afternoon and all the way through Thursday as that cold front passes back through. We're going to be seeing highs back to the lower 40s as we head off into the weekend. And a little bit further out from there, temperatures still looking on the cooler than average 10. That's going to be the 6 to 10 day away period for mid-Missouri and much of the eastern half of the United States. So going to be looking at a cooler time ahead. But temperatures not looking too bad with the drier conditions. But Saturday into Sunday, we're going to be seeing some chances of some scattered showers. Now, there is a possibility far north of Missouri that there could be a wintry mix, but right now, like I said, a lot of that temperature line is staying too far north. We're going to continue to track it. Just at this moment, going to be expecting rainfall with this system, but make sure that the ABC 17 Storm Track weather app downloaded. That way, if there's any changes, you can be first to know when it happens.